Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of WordPress, that is WordPress version 7 on the Windows operating system. And after that I'll also show you how you can use this WordPress for completely free locally on your system so that you can build all these amazing websites. Or even another portfolio website just like this, or an e-commerce store, so let's get started. So first you need to go to your favorite browser and to type over here WordPress, download, hit enter. Just simply go to the official site of WordPress. So this link, this wordpress.org, I'm going to provide right on our video description. Here you will see latest version of WordPress 7 is available to download. So just click on this. That's going to immediately start downloading your WordPress. Next thing that we'll need is Xampp. So just simply search Xampp, download, go to the official site of Xampp. This link also I'm going to provide right on our video description. Once when you're here, you will see latest version of Xampp is version 8.2.12. So you need to download it. So here you can see it's going to start downloading within 5 seconds. And it is rightly started downloading. Once downloaded, just simply go to your download directory. So here is our Xampp and WordPress. So first we need to install Xampp. Just double click on the installer. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. And welcome to Xampp setup wizard. Click on next. Here you need to keep everything as default and click on next. Click on next again. Our language will be English. We'll proceed with English. Click on next. Now it's ready to be installed. Click on next. And our installation for Xampp is rightly began. So this installing Xampp will take some time. By the time Xampp get installed, let's extract our latest WordPress version 7 as well. So just right click and click on extract all and click on extract. So it's going to rightly started extracting. So let's wait for some time so that both our Xampp and our extraction of WordPress get completed. So by the time it get extract, since we are talking about WordPress, I highly recommend you to follow this complete WordPress tutorial using Astra and Elementor. So here you'll be able to create all these different websites tutorial that I have created. So you'll be able to create all these different websites for completely free. And that too locally on your system. So do check all these different videos, like you'll be able to know how to create a complete e-commerce website or a portfolio website or a gym website or how to build a complete website from scratch. So you can check all these different videos for completely free on our channel. And you can see I very frequently post videos on this playlist. So pretty much every month you will get a new video. So don't forget to check this playlist. You will be able to learn a lot of new things. So here let's wait for a few minutes. So we'll come back and now you can clearly see that our Xampp is now rightly installed and our WordPress is also properly extracted over here. So let's first click on finish. That's going to launch our Xampp control panel. So this is our Xampp control panel, you can see. So here you need to start your Apache. So click on the start button. Similarly you need to also start your MySQL. So click on start for MySQL as well, and both of our Apache and MySQL is now properly started. Now you need to click on this admin button for MySQL. So click on that. That's going to open your browser by opening this localhost PHP myadmin. Here you need to create a new database. So click on this new and just type WordPress. That's it. Click on create. So our WordPress database is now properly created. See the spelling of the WordPress, it starts with small letter of W. So keep that in mind. Next, we have extracted this WordPress version 7. So go inside that. You will get a WordPress folder. So if you go inside, you will see all files and folders over here. So all you need to do is you need to cut this WordPress folder and to go to your C drive. Then you need to go to your Xampp folder. And you will get htdocs folder over here. So go inside that and right click and paste the WordPress folder over here. Right. Next you need to go to your browser again open a new tab and just simply type localhost/WordPress. Hit enter. So that's going to show you this screen. This is where you need to select your language. I'll proceed with English and I'm going to click on continue. Here you need to set your database name, username, password. I'm going to show you all of that. Let's first click on let's go. And here you need to provide your database name. Remember, we have just now created this database called WordPress with W as small. So you need to type that exact same thing over here. And here you need to set your username. Username is always root and password is blank. So delete that password and click on submit. Alright, Sparky, let's run the installation. And here you need to provide your site title name. So let's give the site title as a demo website. You can give any title. Let's give some username. Username I'll give root, and our password also I'm going to give root. It is a weak password, I know, but here we are going to only use it locally on your system, so you can confirm these uses of weak password. And after that, let's click on install WordPress. So here it is telling that we need to also provide an email ID. So let's provide one email ID. And after that, click on install WordPress. And bingo, our WordPress has been successfully installed. Let's log in. So provide that username and password that you have just now given, root and root for me. Check this remember me and click on login. And there you go. Welcome to WordPress. Latest version of WordPress, version 7. So that's how you install WordPress locally on your system and can start building website. Like you can go to appearance, you go to theme, and you can install new theme by just simply going to this add theme. So from here you can install Astra or Kadence or OceanWP. So all these videos I have already showed you on this playlist. See, complete WordPress tutorial using Astra and Elementor. So I have built all these different websites using all these different themes, and that too for completely free. Locally on your system you can create. And once you are happy with that, and once you are ready with your website, then you can easily use different hosting providers like Cloudways or Hostinger, and you can deploy your sites. So all that also I have showed you on all these tutorials. And you can buy your domain from Namecheap or spaceship.com or GoDaddy even. So don't forget to check all these different videos. I'm sure you're going to love them, and you can build your beautiful websites for completely free locally on your system. Right, so that's basically all about this video. Please do subscribe and join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.